Hello friends, today I have this digital thermometer for your kitchen. Like if you want to measure the temperature of any food like chicken or you want to measure the temperature of water or any other liquid, then you can use this thermometer. So in this video I will show you how to use this thermometer, and also I will show you how you can buy this thermometer. So let's get started. Here is our digital thermometer. Let's open the box and see what's inside. So first of all, when you open the box, here you will see our digital thermometer, and then after that there is a user manual guide, so you can read the user manual guide if you want to read. So let's move to the our thermometer. Here you can see the thermometer, how it looks. The thermometer body is completely made of plastic, and this thermometer is waterproof. To use this thermometer, first of all you have to remove this outer cover, and this cover you can also hang you can also use this cover to hang this thermometer to your pocket or anywhere that you want to hang. So when you remove this outer cover, then you can see its probe, how it long. This probe is made up of very good quality stainless steel. So if we move on, here you can see there is a display, and its temperature range is from -50°C to 200°C, and -58°F to 392°F. And there are two buttons, like from the first button you can turn on and turn off the thermometer, and from the second button you can check the max and minimum temperature, and also you can convert the degree Celsius to degree Fahrenheit. So let's see. If you firstly press this button, then this thermometer will turn on, and here you can see it's showing the temperature 63.1°F. So you can convert this temperature to degree Celsius by long pressing this button. So when you long press this button, here you can see its temperature is 17°C. So in this way you can convert the degree Fahrenheit into degree Celsius, and if you again press this button, then you can convert in from degree Celsius to degree Fahrenheit. And also there is a maximum and minimum button. So if you simple press this button, then you will see its highest temperature of today, and if you again press this button, then it will show you the minimum temperature. So let's have a live test so we can check how this product works. So here you can see I'm going to test this thermometer in water with this kettle. So let's turn on the kettle. Here you can see the readings, like it's 90°C, and I'm going to set the temperature to 100°C. So now I have set it to 100°C. Let's wait until this water temperature goes to 100°C. So here you can see the temperature of the water is 100°C, and the temperature on our thermometer is almost 17.7°C. So now I am going to dip my thermometer into the water like this. So here you can see I have dipped my probe into the water, and the temperature you can see here, it's showing 95.7°C, 96, and on the kettle you can see it's 100°C. So let's wait for a second until it reaches to its maximum position. So here you can see the temperature it's showing is almost 99.9°C. So in this way you can use this thermometer, and you can measure the temperature of anything, like you want to measure the temperature of your food, or you want to measure the temperature of any liquid, then you can use this thermometer. Hope you like this thermometer. So if you want to buy this thermometer, or you want to buy it in bulk quantity directly from the factory, then you can contact us. Thank you very much.